give a warm welcome to Fort Smith's own Rossi Morreale.
Yes! How is everybody doing tonight? Wine!
Okay, no, I was just
How classy people get drunk. 1,600? Who will give me 17? 5 bottles of wine? A fun little experience you guys get to do with your friends or family. Let's make sure they're of age. We've got 15. I forgot what I was saying. I'm looking for 16. I got 15 right here looking for 16. Hey guys, I got it. I got 15 to say. Let's start at 500 so you guys feel like you'll get it for cheap. 500, yes. 600, yes. 700. Oh, come on, I was having fun. 1,000, yes. 1,100, yes. 1,200. Who'll give me 1,200 for 19 bottles of wine, basically? Yes, 1,200. Who'll give me 1,300? 1,300, yes. Who'll give me 1,400? 1,400, I got 1,300. I got 1,400. 1,400, yes. I got 14. Give me 15. Give me 15. I got 14. Give me 15. Can I see it? Look at this puppy. Come on. I got 14. I'm looking for, yes, 15 right there. You can touch it. I got 15 right there. Give me 16. 16 for this big bad daddy. I got 15. Give me 16. Hello again. Yes, ma'am. 16 in the back. Who'll give me 17? 17. Yes, 17 right there. Who'll give me 18. 18 for this and his kid sister. 18, 17, going once. 17, I'm looking for $1,800. Yes. The package deal is this. A photo of me holding it.
And it comes with the little wood box.
It comes with the little bottle and it comes with the big boy box. For $1,800. I like it. 1,800. Who'll give me 1,900? 1,900. I got 18. Who'll give me 19? Yes. Somebody give me $2,000. Please, I'm sweating up here. I don't come to your work and not give you money. I got 1,900. Who'll give me $2,000? 19 going once. Did I mention that there's a wood box? 19 going twice. Sold to this gentleman for an